Well, welcome back to Rosa Bakes. I have my sugar-free carrot cake right here, flipped upside down. This is the bottom. And now I have my buttercream frosting made with the syrup. Now I added more syrup to make this a little bit sweeter than Mary Berry has, but hey, do it to your liking. It could be also the syrup that I have, but regardless. I'm gonna just take all of this and place it on top, as you can see. Look at that. All right, that's pretty much all of it. And I have my little spreader. I'll get that. And we're just gonna push this buttercream, that maple buttercream frosting. Now this came out way better than my first attempt at this. So keep in mind, use self-raising flour or make the self-raising flour with the baking powder and baking soda in your flour. And also make sure that you sieve the flour without following the directions properly. Make sure this is even on all the way around. I think this came out much better. So happy with this. Can't imagine this not tasting good. It's all the way to the edge. I want it to still look pretty. Just move this a little bit. Make sure I'm all the way up to the edges. Oops, like that. I'll hide that with the topping because we're gonna see what's in this cake, and that's the cinnamon and the walnuts. So we're gonna put the walnuts on top. I'll hide that little mistake there. And put this. We'll get that on there. That looks good to me. Nice and even. Okay. And we're gonna take our cinnamon and dust the top of this. So you go see, it just can't see any of the messes I made, if I made any. And to make sure that this is all nicely done on top, I'm gonna take my walnuts and just spread them apart. Let's get a little bit of here and there. That little outside. Get a little over here. And this is ready for my dinner party. A great cake to have during Lent, if you're giving up sugar like I did. This is a great alternative, or you're trying to reduce the amount of sugar intake that I'll take this and adjust that over here. So there we have it, Mary Berry's sugar-free carrot cake. A little bit more. And that's it. And there you have it. I think this came out really good. So I hope you get the chance to make Mary Berry's sugar-free carrot cake. This is Rosa Bakes. Thank you for joining me. Please like, follow, do all that good stuff on YouTube. If not, keep watching. I'll keep baking. Bye.